Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ankita. Let's see what are the messages for you. Do like the video and subscribe to my channel. Today I'm getting like celebration, happiness, and togetherness. Let's see what are the messages for you. Let's see what the cards are saying. Ace of Cups, new beginning, emotions. I get that some person might, like, this can be your other half or some new person. They might send you an emotional message filled with a lot of emotions, love, care. This message is going to make you emotional. This message is going to make you so much happy. I also get that this person might be older than you. The Hierophant. Here I feel that it can be a twin flame relationship where both are meant to each other. It can be a karmic relationship too. Okay, like it's like you're bound to get to each other. uh, like you get attracted to each other. You feel the same feelings how they feel. You might visit a temple. I don't know, with this card I feel you might visit a temple or something to do with the key. Maybe you're buying a new house with them, or of course you might be buying a house. Also I get that you might be praying that if you are a little confused or if you have no answers, you might be praying for answers and for guidance. We are already got Ace of Cups and now we have Ace of Pentacles. It's definitely a new beginning, a new start, maybe a new person coming into your life. This person is coming with so much love, care, attention, and respect. This person might have already, messaged you or called you, or they might have already confessed to you that how much they love you, how much they care for you. It's like we have started with such beautiful cards. Maybe you are visiting a garden in the next 2 days. The Empress, new beginning again. Maybe pregnancy news, childbirth, starting something new. This can also mean in career as well if you are looking forward for that. But yes, I feel more it's more of love reading, new beginning. You, like, you have healed yourself. You are either you are healing yourself and you have started to love yourself. You've started to accept yourself as you are. It's like almost like a self love period right now for you. And maybe this might have attracted the person you met or you already know. 1, 3, 5 are important numbers. Maybe you are ruled by Venus, also that what I'm getting. Earth sign, water sign. We really have such beautiful cards, I should say to you. So we have the strength card. I said, right, like self love. So you've become so strong. You have, it's not that you just became strong in a day or two. It took you a lot of healing. It took you time. So it's like now you take a stand for yourself. You love yourself so much. You you respect yourself, and that is the reason this person, or the person who is approaching you, this person also sees you in the same way. Eight is important. Infinity. Let's do, wow, King of Swords. Let's end this reading over here with this card, because I know this is such a beautiful reading, and all the cards are also saying like it's so beautiful. I did mention, right, like I really feel like celebration and happiness and togetherness, and your King of Swords. Also, I did mention, right, like this person might be older than you. So, you know, I feel that you need honesty, you need loyalty in a relationship, and that is what you're looking for. And this is what, this person is coming for you. Like, if you see these cards, this person is, coming with the love, care, attention, and respect, and all the emotions. And this person wants the same from you, like the loyalty and respect, and of course, honesty in the relationship. We have got almost all the signs. 14 and 5 are important. This can be a karmic relationship. You might feel that, you might know this person from a long time, or, the thoughts match. Like, if you think something, like if you like a song, they also like the same song. So, this coincidences might happen in your relationship. So, it's such a beautiful reading. I hope you liked it, and I'll meet you next time.